All right, this video is for Eric about the camera setup I'm using now. I'm a lefty, so I'm sitting on this side, so mirror everything. So this is my doctor's computer here, assistant's computer here. I have my Sony camera set up. I have it mounted on a tripod ball mount. There's a little adapter that goes onto the bottom of the camera. I have a little HDMI cable that runs in here. The USB cable connects here, 90-degree cables. The power barrel from the battery pack, I took it out and I ran that to the field monitor. So as I use this, I can flip this on, I flip this on. I have mine wired via USB up and over to this computer. And my assistant can use this mouse, or I have this keypad set up to bring up the remote program. Here we go, coming up soon. So Sony does this annoying thing where it makes you select the camera. So if I hit down and enter, we're good. Now pull up the camera, live feeds on, and I can take pictures with just the camera press. So this is what I want. I want my assistants to be able to just reach over here and take a picture here without having to think about it. And if the remote software gets stuck behind a different TDO window, sometimes it'll get behind. If they hit the R button here, it will bring it to the front always, and then they take a picture. So those are the only two buttons I need to take a picture. We can do the mouse, but when the mouse gets off and they have to work the mouse from the other side of the room, it's too difficult. Anything else? Okay, one more thing. For the longest time, I used standard keypads in a program called HIDMacros. I just found this HP keypad. Where's the model number? It's like a 430. It's on here somewhere. Keypad. Oh, HP 430. Yeah. It's nice because it has the HP software. It doesn't lose the connection as often. So I can bring it up and use it. The HIDMacros would lose the keypad bindings, and so I'd have to reconnect them. But if I'm running the HP program, it finds it on its own. So much easier.